saang bangko mo idideposito yung $1.49 mo na in 12 months magiging $51? Nothing.
No.
Kahit mga kontraktor ng DPWH, hindi kayang ibigay yon, di ba?
Yes.
Dito lang yan sa
Handsome Mechanic.
My name is Andre Bonds of the Handsome Mechanic.
You should be here. After 2 years, 50, I said, well, where else would you go? You know, actually, I went to, before I came here, I went to Super Cheap Auto and asked how much is the headlight alone to change it to LED. And the price is 200 without the fitting. 200 without the fitting. It's only the front. So what I did is,
No fog lamp,
no fog lamp, just the 2 beams.
no park light.
No park light, no nothing, just the 2 beams.
What did we do with your car?
Without the fitting. You put the front light, you put the fog light and everything, and the reverse light, and it cost me only $450.
In how much time?
I don't think I even stayed here for 30 minutes. And plus, you know, the conversation that we had, and you know, I was thinking.
Engine bay.
The engine bay. You only charged me $50 to clean the whole engine and everything, and my cousin was so happy. My cousin mentioned that, oh, it's too bright. Well, wait, you haven't even seen the actual light yet. What's too light?
So, dinadala niya yung kotse niya sa dealer ni hindi man lang nahiluran.
Not even washed.
Oh.
It's like it was, you know, came out of the cave.
Oh my God. Wow. The best part is, cousin mo, hindi niya tinanong kung kailan ang registration. Hindi niya alam.
Yes.
Na-
And you even reminded him about his pink slip radio soon, which will expire.
January 2, which is holiday.
Yes, which is holiday now. It's kind of a wake-up reminder for him.
Yes.
So I'm gonna recommend him to come
Thank
back here
you.
and do it again.
Wow. Thank
Thanks for your
you.
help.
Thank you, Kuya Rex. And last message, a Christmas message to our 135,000 followers.
Well, guys, before the Christmas holiday season, if you're thinking of getting your car serviced or do some lights or do whatever needs to be done with your car, he will be closing soon. And bring it back here before the holiday, so you don't have to think about anything else when you come back, you know. Because when you come back, it might be a
Wow.
different price.
Yes.
Because it's 2026.
Yes, exactly true. And we have an exciting news, Kuya Rex. Have you heard about this?
Oh yes, what is this?
If you subscribe to our Facebook, you
Yes.
get a free pink slip
Oh, wow.
every year. $1.49 a month for 12 months. Next year, you get a free pink slip. Tell your cousin about that.
Of course.
Okay, so Handsome Mechanic, you go to click that. There is a subscribe. So if you subscribe there for 12 months, that's $17.88. 1 year, 51. So you make $33.12. That is not an expenses. That is an investment. You are saving for your future pink slip,
Yes,
which you
yes.
cannot avoid. In New South Wales,
Yes.
it's a mandatory. Nagbayad ka ng $1.49 monthly, next year, libre na yung pink slip mo. Sir, tanong, saang bangko mo idideposito yung $1.49 mo na in 12 months magiging $51? Nothing.
No.
Kahit mga kontraktor ng DPWH, hindi kayang ibigay yon, di ba?
Yes.
Dito lang yan sa,
Handsome Mechanic. I'm more handsome than you. How could you have the handsome?
that's why I'm giving you the best service. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Kuya Rex.